So when we think about making an app, and in this case we're doing photography services and we want this to work, we want to put structure about the input. So we want to just have the client choose the one service, and then we want them to choose the date. Now the important thing is we have data that we need to constrain on these dates. We want to show them a calendar with openings so they have a more clear understanding and can align their schedules. We'll get into that later. We're going to choose the event, time, and then location. Now the location, we really want to start to structure how they're going to give us this data. So we're going to improve the input method here because right now it's just not super clear and we could get a lot of ambiguity. So we're going to structure how we're going to take this information and check it to a database. We're going to let them choose how many people will be involved, left lists with plus and minus, or they can just put in their number. Most users know how to interact with that. They can define items here. And then we can also ask if they need additional services. We're not going to bore them with answering these things right now. We're just providing them what other things are available. And we'll show them that in the flow and execution of the data and user experience. Let them define their budget. And the important thing here is that budget is relative. So leave this open if you want that. But you have to consider how that will impact your experience, but it's a great way to think about intake and structuring data as you're building an app. Right? You can specify, and then we also can have preferred method of delivery. Here we did a drop down, but in reality with the user experience, we should probably have multi-select. And then down here, they can define other considerations, but we're missing a submit. So we'll work on that later.